Alright guys, so as you can see, I got a headlight out, but I'm gonna fix that right now with what I got in the car. So what I got here is a set of Auxbeam's newest LED lights. Saw the car had a bad headlight, so went to order some and just saw this on there and figured I'd give them a shot. So these are, don't quote me on it, I'm almost positive these are the brightest headlights that Auxbeam offers. So we'll throw them in and see how they do. I've got them, if you've seen my past videos, I've got them on the truck, the brights and the dims. These are just the dims. I'm gonna end up getting the brights for these, for this one, and then we'll be all set. But figured I'd give these a shot and I'll show you guys how they look. So right off rip, here they are. They look pretty intense, I'm not gonna lie. Got that big LED on both sides. It's still the double-sided, so it should still have a pretty good cutoff. And you got the ballasts. They're not very big, which I like that about Auxbeam. Normally, I've had a couple of their headlights. The ones I have on the truck, the ballasts are built into the back of the light. But these ones, even the ones that are like this, they're never huge. So that's always a plus when it comes to space and all that. So we'll go ahead and throw these in here and we'll see how she looks. Okay, so here on the passenger side, I'm gonna change this side first since this is the one that's out, and I want to do a side-by-side of the halogen versus the new LED light. So the trick over here is you've got this splash shield. Now there's kind of two different ways you can do it. If you have a 07 to 12 Ultima, you can either go up from under, but then you got to kind of lay on your back, reach your arm up under there, do all that stuff. I've also found you can just pull this little splash shield back from the bumper just a little bit, just enough room I can squeeze my hand up in here, and right now I am touching the bulb, so it's just right there. As you can see, it's not very far, and you just turn it and pull it out. You see that's the bulb, and there you go. Now your clip might look a little different from mine, and it may not pull down as far, because if you saw my last video where I converted this to halogen, these are extenders. So mine are probably a little bit longer. You might not be able to pull it out like that, but it's still the basics, still the same thing. Get your hand up in there, pull it out, and do all that. So this is the bad headlight. Now I'm going to plug in this new beefy boy. And these are directional, so I'm going to plug this in here first and go turn it on, see if it works. Alright, so it turned on, so now we know it works. So let's pull this blue off. And it comes with some zip ties if you want to make this look a little cleaner, but I've got all the splash shields and everything, and there's not much room back there anyways, so I'm probably okay to just put this in there. So tuck all this back. All right, so that side's in. I'm gonna put you in front of the car and show you the comparison between the halogen and this new bulb. And look at that, that's so much brighter. And I'm actually almost positive they're quite a bit brighter than the ones on the truck, which I think the ones on the truck combined, the brights and the dims are 15,000 lumens. These are 25,000 lumens, so they're gonna be quite a bit brighter. But as you can see, weather's not looking too great. It's starting to rain, so let me hurry up and pop that one in, then I can show you both And then the next shot will obviously, same as the truck, be at night, show you guys how far, the beam pattern, all that good stuff. So let me pop that one in real quick, show you that. Hopefully I can catch it before it starts raining too bad. All right guys, well, you can see back there, it is raining. Pretty good. A little bit on my GoPro, but it's waterproof, so whatever. But I got it done just in time. See the headlights out there. And it is coming down more and more as I stand here talking. So you guys saw the comparison between the halogen and the LEDs. It's supposed to stop raining by the time it gets dark out, so I'll be able to come back out, show you guys how it looks at night. And I can just already tell you, in the daylight, it's bright. And I've kind of stood in front of it. The cutoff line seems pretty solid. I'll try to show you guys a little bit better than I did the truck. I'll try to pull it to a wall, kind of show you guys the cutoff pattern a little bit better, because a lot of you guys wanted to know all that good stuff. And I'll try to show a little bit more of that when it gets darker. So the next thing will be it at night. All right guys, so here we are in the car. It's nighttime. I'm about to leave for work. I work nights, and I'm just gonna show you real quick me turning them on for the first time at night, because I haven't seen them yet. All right, so we're looking at the front, and there we go. Look at that. Yes, eventually my fog lights will be Auxbeam as well, and the high beams, and I'm going to get the LED for the little corner lights, and then blinker lights. All that's going to be LED, but for right now, that's all I got. But these are super bright, as you can see. I'm probably going to eventually have to adjust the beam pattern, because I had to do it last time I had LEDs. I think it's something with the housings. The LEDs sit different in there or something, but. All right, so there's the line. Them up against the wall. They're a little high, as you can see. That's kind of the curvature of my hood. They're facing up quite a bit, so I'm gonna have to adjust them down. I got bright light a lot on the way here, so sorry to everybody that got blinded, but gonna adjust these now, and it'll be good to go. All right, so as you can see, got them adjusted. You want to be about 25 feet away from the wall. I got the passenger side just a little bit higher than the driver. The driver's about an inch lower than the center line, where the center of the headlight is, so where the bulb is. So got that all good. Brights high up like they need to be, and I think that's gonna be good. You guys saw them, you know how they look. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more, just keep up with the channel. Go check out Auxbeam if you guys want to get some of those lights. They're the GX series. They're brand new, and I mean, I just installed them, but they look super bright. So go check them out. I'll leave a link to their site down below. Go follow me on all my socials. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and that like button. That helps me out a lot, gets my video out there in front of more people. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.